This will be a quick video about the Microsoft Xbox rechargeable battery for the Xbox controller. So usually Microsoft Xbox has these AA batteries inside here, and PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 has the rechargeable battery already built inside, so there's no option to use AA batteries. But to save environment, and after spending hours playing video games, you know that you need to buy these AA batteries over and over again because they charge out very quickly because of all the vibrations on this controller. I'm using Xbox already for third generation. My first Xbox was the Xbox 360. After that I used the Xbox One S, and just about a couple of months I'm using the new Xbox Series X. So here is the box, and as you can see here, it is the rechargeable battery and the USB Type-C cable inside. And here you can see the arrow. Strangely enough, Microsoft is copying Apple, and they added this arrow to easily open. Thanks, Microsoft. That's the best way. No knives, no scissors. Just pull here and open it up. Oh, and you need to just pull out the box. So we pull out. And here you can see this is the battery. Let's remove, and we can see that inside the box is the USB Type-C cable and some user manual. Let's check the manual first. You just install in the rechargeable battery and that's it. And you can charge it. The standard USB cable on the console, and the USB Type-C goes inside here, the new USB Type-C. There is an accessories app. We'll need to check that later. But the best thing about this rechargeable battery is that you can play the game and still charge the controller. There's many things to read. Let's put this aside. And here is the battery. Just pull here. Let's try it. Let's remove these AA batteries. And here you can see these tiny little contacts here. This is the place where you put the battery first. So now just here, and there you go. And you can close the battery, and the rechargeable battery is inside. So this is the standard USB cable that goes in the console, and this is the USB Type-C cable that goes into the controller here. You can put it this way or any other way because it's universal. So you can play with cable, you can charge it while playing the game. Let's try. Is there any juice inside? Yes, it is. You can hear the signal, and the Xbox is starting up. So that is the unboxing to the Xbox rechargeable battery from Microsoft. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile @TechYouThrough as well. Take care, and let's meet in the next episode of Tech You Through.